Sheetlark, one spreadsheet fix at a time. Need to look up a value that only exists when two things are both true, like the sales rep for a specific region and product? Most people add a messy helper column. You don't have to. One XLOOKUP formula, no helper column, no concat. Let me show you the 2026 way, and the one time you should not use it. Here's a sales table, 12 orders, each with a region and a product. Say you want the sales rep for the East region, router product. The catch, East appears 3 times and router appears 4 times. Neither column alone can find your answer. You need the one row where the region is East and the product is router. 2 conditions at the same time. This is where a normal XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP quietly gives you the wrong row. The old way, and honestly the way most tutorials still teach, is to add a helper column. You'd insert a new column, concatenate region and product into one key like East router, then look that up. It works, but now you've changed the file. If it's a shared report, you've added a column nobody asked for. If someone deletes it, every formula breaks, and you can't do this at all on a table you're not allowed to edit. There's a cleaner way that touches nothing. Here is the whole thing. One formula, no helper column, equals XLOOKUP, open bracket, the number 1, then in brackets region range equals your region input, times, in brackets product range equals your product input, then the sales rep column to return, and a friendly not found at the end. Press enter. Mira. That's the correct rep for East and router, pulled in one shot. The magic is that middle part. When you write region range equals East, Excel doesn't return one answer. It checks every single row and returns a whole list of trues and falses. Same for product. Now multiply those two lists together. In Excel, true counts as 1 and false counts as 0. So true times true is 1, but true times false is 0, and false times false is 0. Only the row where both tests passed becomes a 1. Every other row is a 0. That's why you look up the number 1. You're asking XLOOKUP to find the single row that satisfied both conditions. Let's not take my word for it. Change the inputs. Set region to West and product to firewall. The answer updates instantly to Danish. Correct. Now try West and router. Danish again, but a different order, different revenue. The formula reevaluates both conditions every time. No dragging, no rebuilding. 2 little input cells drive the whole lookup. You're not limited to the sales rep. Point the return range at revenue instead, and you get the exact revenue for that region and product combo, 7,200 ringgit for East and router. Same 2 conditions, different answer column. You can stack as many of these as you like. Rep here, revenue there, unit somewhere else, all reading from the same 2 inputs. Now the part most videos skip. This method is brilliant, but it's not free, because it scans and multiplies whole columns on a huge sheet, tens of thousands of rows with dozens of these formulas. It can get noticeably slow. It also assumes the combination is unique. If 2 rows share the same region and product, XLOOKUP just returns the first match and silently ignores the second, and a quiet gotcha. If your ranges aren't the same length, say region goes to row 13, but product only to row 12, the multiply throws an error. So for everyday sheets, use it freely. For massive datasets or where duplicates are possible, either build a proper unique key column or switch to the concatenation style coming up next. Here's the alternative some people find easier to read. Instead of multiplying, glue the 2 inputs together with a separator and glue the 2 columns together the same way, then do a plain XLOOKUP. Region pipe product on both sides. It returns Mira too. Identical answer. Pick a separator that can't appear in your data, like a pipe symbol, so A plus BC never collides with AB plus C. Both methods are correct. The boolean-multiply one is just easier to extend to 3 or 4 conditions. One more thing that makes this report ready. What if the combination simply doesn't exist? Try central and router. There is no central region. Instead of an ugly NA error spilling across your dashboard, that last argument catches it and shows "not found." Always add that fallback when you're building something other people will see. It turns a broken-looking error into a calm, deliberate message. The best part is how this grows. Need a third condition? Just multiply in one more bracket. Region equals this, times product equals this, times, say, sales rep equals that. As many conditions as you need, all and ed together. Still one formula, still no helper column. That's why the boolean-multiply pattern is worth committing to memory. So, to recap, to look up on two conditions, use XLOOKUP with a 1, multiply your conditions together in brackets, and give it a not found fallback. No helper column, no changing the source data. Use the boolean-multiply version for flexibility, the concatenation version for readability, and skip both only on truly massive sheets or where duplicates lurk. I've built this exact workbook, the data, both formulas, and the 3-condition example, and it's yours free. Grab the multi-criteria lookup workbook from the link in the description, and if this saved you a helper column, a like helps the channel more than you'd think.